Hello, my name is Emiliya and I live in Almaty and I study at Kazakh National University Al-Farabi. And autumn, the clouds are grey and gloomy, budding rain, and autumn mist envelops the bare earth, chasing each other through the spacious plain to warn themselves run falls of last year's birth. No grass, no tulips, are silent everywhere, and children know the games and young's late mirth. The trees, like poor old beggars, stand and stare, barefoot on leaves, as naked as the earth. The men turn cow and horse chides and in big wets, and men's old paddles ground in the winter garb. The house weaves stitch up holes in the felt tents. Old women sit and spin their endless yarn. The cranes set off towards the toes in flocks. The camel caravans go marching slowly on, all quiet and sad in the halls amid the steps. Laughter and games until next spring have gone. Cruel wind blows. The air gets cold as ice. From chills, old men and children suffer sore. The hungry dogs run out to hunt for mice, not finding bones and meat scraps as before. The sky is dark with the dust raised by the wind. The autumn stump, but as bad, customs say. To light a fire is a mortal sin, and so it's dark, intense, both night and day.